In this quick video, I'll show you how to reset your DocuSign password so you can get back into your account fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. First, open your browser and head to the official DocuSign website. On the top right corner, click on Manage Profile. This will take you to your account settings. Now, go to the Privacy and Security section. Here, look for the option to change your password. For security reasons, DocuSign may ask you to log in again, so enter your current password if prompted. Once inside, type your new password and confirm it. Make sure it's strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, hit Save to update your account. That's it. You've successfully reset your DocuSign password. Keep it stored somewhere safe and you'll be good to go. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and check out my other quick guides.